Ayubowan. Hello everyone, welcome to eashkitchen. Today we are going to cook chili mushroom prawns, and please enjoy my cooking. Okay, let's check the ingredients. Prawns, shell out prawns, red chili, soya sauce, chili sauce, button mushroom, chili flakes, brown sugar, sesame oil, oyster sauce, garlic, ginger and little bit spring onion and cooking oil. Okay, let's make the mushroom chili prawns. Okay, let's add the oil, 1 tablespoon. Just keep for a few minutes to get heat and remove oil. Okay, let's pan fry the prawns. Add little bit oil here and there to get low cooked. Cook till golden color, around half a minute each side. It's look golden color, prawns are well cooked now. We can remove from the non-stick. Okay, let's cook the prawns. We use the same pan. Okay, we'll add the sesame oil, 1 teaspoon, then add the garlic, ginger, both 1 teaspoon, mix little bit and add little bit chili flakes. Add the red chili. Okay, let's add brown sugar, chili sauce, 1 teaspoon, oyster, 1 tablespoon, soya sauce, 1 teaspoon, add pinch of salt. Now add the water. Cook for 1.5 minutes. Add spring onion and mushroom. Now add the prawn. Delicious smell. Chili mushroom prawns ready to serve. Okay, let's plate the prawns. Let's cut the spring onion for garnish. Okay, chili mushroom prawns. So friends, the delicious chili mushroom prawns. And please subscribe me on YouTube to get more authentic dishes. Enjoy the cooking.